Alright, a couple of weeks ago I did a video on the CoverGirl Skin Enhancer blushes, and I had a request to do one for the contour ones. If you are my skin tone, I think I found the shade that works for us, and it is shade Sculpted. So it's this one. It's not the snatched one, and it's not the super cool one. I think it's like the one in the middle. This is what it looks like. So it's a little cool, but it's also kind of like a little bit of like a golden but cool undertone. So let's try it. I ordered mine off of Amazon. Okay, let's try it. So I have foundation on, and if you're curious, I have on the It Cosmetics Do It All Balm, and I'm in shade 215 Light Warm. And for my under eyes, I have on the new Essence Concealer. I will be making a video on this. And I have the Catrice Under Eye Brightener and the e.l.f. one. I have e.l.f. here and Catrice. I always forget, like, people will be like, oh, what do you have on in this makeup, in this video? And I'm like, oh, I don't know, but now I remember to say it. Anyways, you don't care about that. I'm going to get this, and I'm just gonna run it back and forth on the palm of my hand. You could see that it's pretty hydrating, but it's also very pigmented. So I'm gonna take my BK Beauty, this is the 109, and I'm gonna pick it up. I don't like to put it directly on my face because you never know how things are gonna dry. And I'm just gonna take it up here and kind of walk it down my cheek. So this color is going to be more of like a sculpting color, a contouring color. Like I said, it definitely runs a little on the cooler side, which is great. And if I kind of pull back, you could see that it's giving my cheeks some shape. I'm gonna take a little bit more, and I'm gonna put it on my forehead. Always like in the hairline. You can even take some and put some on your eye. I'm gonna do one side so you can see what it's actually doing. And if you wanna take it here, you can. I'm not a big fan of doing this because I know I'm not gonna do it all the time, but I know some people like to do it, or you can even go here. And I see people go here. You can totally do it, do whatever you want. And I'm gonna take a tiny bit and just run it to the side of my nose. So here's what I like about it. It's not overly warm, but it's not overly cool. It's like, it's a neutral, I guess. Sometimes when people use bronzers to kind of sculpt their face, I see it. It like looks orange and I don't like it. But that's a me thing. If you like it and it makes you happy, go for it. But this is actually a really cool shade. Now, if you want to go a little bit heavier, we can. Let's do another layer in the same spot, and then I'll even myself out. So if I take and I just should really have my mirror here because I can't see what I'm doing. There we go. So the color is perfect because it does mimic like that little shadow here, and it's really nice. So it's a pretty big difference. It's nice. All right, let's even me out. So it blends really nice. It's actually a very user-friendly formula. And honestly, the reason I kind of held off on getting it was because I think I saw somebody talking about it and they didn't like it. And I was like, oh, I'm probably not going to like it. They said like the formula was bad, and I should have just tried it myself to form that opinion. But it's actually really nice and easy to work with. Now I will say, again, I don't stripe things on my face because you never know how things are gonna set. And of course, when you're on your way out or you're doing like your whole makeup and you're almost done and then you do that and it messes everything up, is when it's a problem. So, but I always like to just work off the back of my hand, and this is just a tip. If you go on the inner palm, like your palm of your hand, I'm sorry, because it's warmer, it'll melt the product a lot faster. So, just an FYI. Don't forget to put a little bit here just to kind of give some shape to the eye. But super easy, great formula. And they have a color that's great for deep, rich skin tones, and they have one that's good for light fair skin tones as well. I think they have a total of 4. This one is good for contouring. The sculpted one is like, I could probably use, not sculpted, the snatched one I could probably use, but it's gonna be a little bit more intense for me, and I think this is more up my alley. So if you're looking for like that natural sort of sculpted contour, try the CoverGirl, and it's very good. Highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and leave your comments, questions, requests down below. I'll see you in my next one.